So it's your girl A coming at you guys today with a review being brought to you by what? Samsbeauty.com. Y'all already know they are my plug for wigs, okay? I shop with them. Yes, I still do personally shop with them. I am still a customer of theirs, long-time customer. I don't think I'll ever stop being a customer of theirs because, I mean, I find so many great finds from them. They're very affordable. Shipping is very simple and quick. So, yeah, I can't really complain about Sam's Beauty. They support the channel and everything. So thank you, Sam's Beauty, for always supporting my channel, for always, just supplying me with some cuteness from my dolls. So we're going to get right into this video. So we are going to be reviewing Outre Celeste. This is their lace front. Having the color 1B. This is part of their Color Bomb series though, so this wig does come in plenty of other colors as you guys can see, but for once in my life I went ahead and I didn't go bold with it. I toned it down and I went with a 1B. I don't know, for some reason these colors just were not screaming my name, but they are really gorgeous color blends. They just wasn't doing anything for me personally. So I went with the safe 1B in this style, and I love the waves on this style. First of all, the style is very simplistic. Must no fuss with it. I like the texture on this wig. It's a nice light yaki texture. No, the wig is not shiny. It has a very nice natural luster to it. Like I said, it is a lace front, so you are going to have lace from ear to ear. And here is that ear-to-ear lace. It's going to be soft lace, so it's not going to irritate your hairline or anything. She does come with like a 5-inch parting area, so you don't have to pluck or tweezer. And also with this one, since this is a predefined parting space, you can't part it anywhere else, as you guys can see. So you're going to get 3 combs, 2 combs here in the front, comb in the back, and you have your adjustable straps. Let's go ahead and see what she looks like as far as stretch goes. Hold on, let me move this hair out the way. Woo, child. Okay. So she has a pretty good stretch to her. Pretty nice stretch to her. So we're going to go ahead and try her on. So, if you follow me on Instagram, y'all already seen me try this wig on in my stories. And we had a lot to say about this wig, because do y'all see the geriatric hairs they put up here? They look like little bangs, and we ain't having that. We ain't having that. That is just no. Outre, come here. This, hell no. We don't need it. We don't need that. It's messing up the whole vibe of this wig. I mean, why would they give us bangs? I mean, if they was going to give us bangs, they should have went all out with it. I mean, it would look cute, but yeah, this is one of those wigs where it didn't need bangs. So, I mean, these ain't baby hairs. These are geriatric hairs. They fit in the collect Social Security and everything. But it's okay, though. We going to fix it. We going to rock with it. But here's your parting space. Look at that parting space. Like I said, you don't have to pluck or tweeze it. This is a very simplistic style. Now, I am getting some shedding as I'm running my hands through it. So, I haven't even cut the lace off. So, yes, it does shed. With the tangling, I'm pretty sure, once I get some wears out of it, it more than likely will tangle. Here is your hairline. It's not a natural hairline, so you're going to have to work with that if you want to make it really look natural. But with this particular style, I don't think you have to really do too much with it once you take off the geriatric hairs. You wear it in the middle part, side part. Let's see what it looks like in the side part. And she has the moldable ear tabs as well. Alright, so if we wear in the side part, not bad in the side part, but your length is going to change in the side part. Oh, these hairs get on my nerves. Let's see what the other side looks like. Not bad. It's the hairs throwing me off, because these damn hairs are just Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a little 360. Let me put her back in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little 360. And then here's all the hair to the back. She has a really, really good flow to her. A nice amount of body. She has a really nice density to it. So we're going to go ahead, you know, cut the lace off Celeste. Fix these geriatric hairs, you know, let them go to Social Security where they belong. And then we're going to come right back. All right, dolls. Hold on. With Celeste on, all fixed up. In case you're wondering where those geriatric hairs went, I sent them on up to the upper room. They had to go. I cut them off, okay? I had to cut them off. They was getting on my nerves. I didn't feel like swooping them down with no gel or nothing like that. I really wanted this wig to be throw on and literally go, because this is the type of style that, you know, it's a messy bedhead type of style. You don't want it to look too perfect. So, you know, the baby hairs, they were kind of distracting me, and they were, like I said, they were getting on my nerves. So to the upper room, they had to go in the trash. But anyway, this is what she looks like without the baby hairs. I went ahead and I defined my parting space with just some powder. Of course, you do have room to pluck it if you need to, but you know, you don't have to if you don't want to. And then as you guys saw, I went in, you know, I took my blow dryer to the parting area so it'll lay a little bit flatter, because it was a little humpy. And the blow dryer that I use is, I actually purchased it from Samsbeauty. It's like $10. Okay, y'all, get this little thing. It works wonders. It works pretty good on natural hair, but I mainly purchased it for my wigs when I need to flatten down some humps. But yeah, this is a Hot and Beauty hair dryer. I told you I'm a customer still. They have some great sales, especially on hair appliances at Samsbeauty. Of course, I will leave the purchase link to this blow dryer down below. But anyway, we're going to talk about Celeste. Now, Celeste is really, really cute, as you guys can see. No muss, no fuss. She has really nice, like, you know, choppy waves to her. So they're not too choppy, but they're choppy enough to where, you know, it looks really messy, ununiform. So I think the baby hairs was taken away from that, because you don't want this type of style to look too uniform. You know what I'm saying? This is definitely a good throw on and go wig, especially if you are like me, always on the go, and you don't really have time to, you know, fuss with your hair too much. You got to constantly be ready to go. So I think Celeste will be really, really good for those days where you don't want to fuss with the wig too much and you don't have time to throw on and go and you out the door. So yeah, this is Celeste. Get her in many colors. As you guys can see, she comes in plenty of color options. So if you are looking for this type of style, definitely scoop her up. She is under $30 if I'm not mistaken. Of course, the purchase links will be down below. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm Aya All Day on all platforms. Once again, Aya All Day on Facebook and Instagram. Definitely check out both of those. So, you know, follow me and, you know, like the page. You get sneak peeks and things like that. So I'm gonna stop rambling on. Follow Samsbeauty as well. Of course, their social media links and app will be down below in the description box. Check the description box, y'all. Check the description box. All right, so I'm gonna stop rambling on. This is me and Celeste. We're gonna go ahead and go. I have another review for you, dolls, so you guys will see me in the same shirt. Okay, y'all know how I do. If I have time to do more than one review in the same shirt, I definitely will. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. I'll talk to you dolls later. Bye.